Hello foodies! Welcome back to Swedanika the Kitchen. Today we are here with another episode in Shop Cook Serve series. Today's recipe is Chicken Button Manchurian, a unique appetizer with minced chicken. Please watch our episode 1 Kadai Chicken and episode 2 Gongura Mutton Pulav Wrap. Links available in description box. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. We came up with an idea to make Manchurian with minced chicken. We didn't want to use all-purpose flour in this recipe, so came up with this interesting procedure of cooking meat and frying Manchurian. After getting minced chicken or ground chicken, wash it carefully and dry it properly before starting the procedure. Now our meat is dry. Add about 3 tablespoons cornstarch, salt as per taste. Here I am adding about 1 teaspoon. Add 2 teaspoons chili powder. Now mix everything until all dry ingredients are mixed in the meat. At this stage, the meat looks as a sticky paste. Now add half cup cold water with 3 to 4 ice cubes. Mix everything. Add extra cold water if necessary. This process helps in forming the shape. Are you surprised how diluting meat helps in holding the shape? Watch the video without skipping to see how Manchurian is prepared with this mixture. Remove ice cubes. See, the texture is perfect. When you squeeze the meat mix between your thumb and index finger, it should easily flow. Now the meat mix is ready. Let's start preparing our chicken buttons. In a wide pan, pour water until half. We should put our chicken buttons when the water is at a room temperature. Now start squeezing meat between your thumb and index finger. When a small button-sized mix comes out, with the help of a small spoon, take it and put it in the water. Repeat the process. Now our pan is filled with buttons. Let them cook on medium heat. We still have some mix. Let's prepare buttons while the first batch is cooking. In a bowl, take cold water with ice cubes. Prepare buttons and add buttons in the same process. They will stay in shape. Now I have finished preparing buttons with remaining meat mix. Let's check our chicken buttons in the pan. Let's check the button. The button should be soft and spongy. This is the perfect time to remove them. Now the water in the pan is hot. So let's add prepared buttons along with cold water and ice cubes. This neutralizes the temperature of water in the pan. Now second batch is also cooked. See, they just look like cooked soya chunks, but they are made up of minced chicken. Now, in a wide pan, add cooking oil enough for deep fry. Let's prepare crispy chili spring onions as an accompaniment for Manchurian. Slice greens of spring onions in lengths. Slit green chilies. These makes a good accompaniment with Manchurian. Take one large egg. We need only egg white, so let's remove yolk from this. If you don't know how to separate yolk after breaking, just remove it with the shell like this. This needs no expertise. Now let's whisk egg white until we see bubbles. This takes less than a minute. You can do this with fork too. Now add 2 tablespoons cornstarch in the whisked egg white. Add salt, green chilies. Take number of chilies as per your spice level. If you want, you can replace this with extra spring onion. Now add sliced spring onion. Season it with salt, half teaspoon chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Mix everything properly until all dry ingredients are blended in egg white. Oil is hot. Carefully add these coated chilies and spring onions individually in the oil. Fry them on medium heat. Now our crispy chilies and spring onion are fried. Let's remove them from oil and transfer onto a plate with paper towel. Now in the same oil, add our cooked chicken buttons when the oil is on medium heat. Fry them on medium high. Look, they are changing color and holding perfect shape. Look, chicken buttons turned golden red. Let's remove them from the oil. Repeat the process with remaining cooked chicken buttons. These fried chicken buttons taste just like nuggets. My kids finished half of them before making Manchurian. They are so delicious as it is. Now let's prepare sauce for our Manchurian. We need minced ginger, minced garlic, minced green chilli and chopped spring onion bulb. Green chilli sauce, chili garlic sauce, ketchup and vinegar. If you want, you can add soya sauce, but I'm skipping it today for this recipe. In a wide pan or wok, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add spring onion, ginger, garlic and chilies. Saute them carefully and continuously. For any Indo-Chinese, we need to cook on high heat and saute continuously to avoid burns in the bottom. Add roasted cashews and saute. This is completely optional, but they taste good after sauteing in sauces. We like them a lot. Now add 2 tablespoons chili garlic sauce and saute until it is mixed completely. Now add 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce and saute. Add 2 tablespoons ketchup and saute continuously until all sauces are blended. Now add 1 teaspoon vinegar and saute. Add salt as per your taste, chili powder and pepper. Saute until all spices are blended in the sauce. Now take 1 teaspoon cornstarch and add little water. Stir until no lumps. Now add this mix to the sauce. Saute it and add little amounts of water if necessary to get the consistency. Now add fried chicken buttons in the sauce. Carefully saute such that all chicken buttons are coated with sauce. Saute it from sides only. Don't mess the chicken buttons. Toss it at regular intervals when all chicken buttons are coated well with sauces. We don't need to saute them anymore. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves and spring onion greens. Toss it until it turns dry. Now our chicken button Manchurian is ready. I am serving this Manchurian with crispy chili and spring onion in shoestring fries boat made with thinly sliced potato and fried in the shape of boat. Enjoy this unique chicken button Manchurian served with crispy chilies and spring onion as it is or along with Hakka noodles or fried rice. For Hakka noodles recipe, please check the description box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Please mention your recipe requests in the comment section. Please let us know your feedback after trying this recipe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.